Toy Tractor Times is here at the 2017 National Farm Toy Show with Chase Duenow from Glencoe, Minnesota. Chase, congratulations on third place in the youth contest. That's really great. You got a great farm. Can we take a little tour of it?
Yeah.
Well, why don't we start right out here in the dairy? This is really impressive. So this must be the milking parlor up here?
Yeah. Right over there is the milking parlor about 12 cups at a time.
That's nice. That's you got all the cows coming in and being milked. You got the lower floor and easy to hook them up, and so they're feeding in from the big barn here. We can see the milk tank and Volvo coming in to take the milk out. Tell me, let's take a look over here at the main barn. This is kind of neat with the fans and the laneways.
Yeah.
Well, tell me about these fans.
I don't really know about the whole lot about the barn and the parlor. One of my dad's friends, Greg Boss, made it as he was down here last year with his display.
Well, it looks very good. It's got the robotic pusher there. And how many cows are you milking on this farm?
If you count the ones in the barn and the parlor, it's 125.
Oh, it's a good size herd. And so a lot of these modern farms, the cow manure will come out here and end up in the manure tank here, and it's a harvester. So tell me about this. We got a big 600 quad track.
Yep. All the detail on the tractors, like all the antennas and stuff, are done by Greg Boss.
Okay, yeah, Greg does great work. And it's got the big Husky triaxle and International 5080 pumping it out. Well, let's take a look at the rest of the farmyard here. So are you a Case IH fan?
Yeah, my grandpa and my uncle love Case IH, and I do too. It's a really great company.
That's great. It definitely is. They got a theme on Facebook called and Instagram #RaisedRed. So we got the sprayer and some Maxim tractors and Magnums, the big baler and round baler. Got a Kinsey planter 4900 in there. So you got a Challenger tractor too. That's cool. Little yellow.
You gotta always make everybody happy.
Sure. We'll come over here. Now this is really cool because you're from Glencoe, Minnesota, and you got the Glencoe field cultivator sitting there. And
you don't see many of them around anymore.
No, they were a good strong tillage brand for many years. Got the windrower. We got another big Steiger with a Grouser blade. Big 580 HD. Got the Kuhn Knight TMR getting filled up with some supplements. So did Greg detail all the Pumas and the Maxims and Magnums out here?
So basically everything was like antenna and stuff. And he even detailed the loader right there.
Very nice.
As you could see, he scratched it up. And we don't know for sure, but I think he took off the whole entire loader system and he put a new one on.
Good job. Then we got the bunker, got the silage coming out, going into for feed. Got a nice Meyer silage box. Got a nice D19 back here, splitting firewood. Got the New Holland FR850 self-propelled chopper. Looks like he's finished for the season here, getting the headers off, and John Deere payloader, wheel loader. So what's this building here?
So it's basically the hay shed with big square bales and big round bales.
Well, we can see the skid loader coming in there.
And I can sort of say the name of the skid loader, except it's a German company.
Okay.
I got it from a toy shop. It's Kioski, I believe. I'm not quite sure.
That's very cool. There's a lot of brands out there. It's neat to see something that you don't see every day. Got an old Oliver and a hay rake and a deer in there.
And the white, that's an old case back there, all taken apart. doors all over the place.
Okay. Got the fire pit and a picnic table. That's pretty cool. Propane tank. Tell me about the house here. That's pretty nice.
And the house is also done by Greg Bullock.
Okay.
So it's a log house made out of balsam wood. And and he used cardboard for the underneath layer of it.
Oh, it's really nice. Got the big deck with the grill on it, and got the Herbie Kirby trash can down there.
Yeah.
Looks like the farm collects some tractors as well.
Yeah. My uncle and my grandpa love to collect tractors in Escalante, South Dakota. And that's 100, 200, 300, and 400.
Wow, those are some good classic farmals. And they got the garage here and the camper. So the farm getting a new tractor coming in?
Yeah.
Looks like a big 340.
They just found out that they need some new tractors in the New Holland dealership. It has a couple of oddball Case IH tractors in it, and said, I want to take that case for a spin for a couple of days.
Very cool. Well, Chase, thank you for the tour, and I bet you had a lot of fun out here at the National.
Yeah.
Would you come back with another display?
Yeah.
Very good. Well, thanks for your time, and look forward to seeing what you dream up next.
Welcome.
Thank you.